Hey guys, we have Ralph here. We took him on a fun field trip to Tractor Supply. And we were honestly just working on his place, and we were using different things like this toolbox here, just getting up onto it, staying on it. And Ralph was doing a fantastic job doing this. We were getting some distance. You can't see, but there was actually somebody coming up with a dog over in the corner here, and Ralph was really good. He just stayed on place and hung out. So really we're just getting some socialization, having him, do commands and work around people and, different places. Just to get some socialization, work on the commands and everything. Yeah, so here, this is where the puppy was. He was interested, but he just hung out on place still. I just asked him to sit, and he did a pretty good job. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.